Hey girls, I just wanted to give you a little tutorial on how I do my collages and all the little images and stuff you see on the page. It's quite simple, and I used a program called Pizap.com, www.pizap.com. I'm just holding my phone, so bear with me. It might be jiggling a little bit, but basically I download that and I set myself up an account, I guess, in my email address and a password. And you have three options. You've got edit, collage, or design. I'll give you an example of each one, what I can do. So for instance, edit. If I do edit, it's uploading, and then it's going to ask me to use I use it always picture from a computer because I don't know how to do it from my phone yet. So I use my computer. And let's say I've got a file here called, just a sec here, Pizap. I threw a couple things, quick reference in here. Pizap. Hang on. So let's say if I took this picture of me, throw it in there. Great. Now I want to throw some text in there. Go to the T. Go up here. Just go hello. ELLO. So over here I can change the font, I can change the size, I can change the color of the font. I'm going to go to black with a white background, go down here, and of course I'm going to move this up here. Well, I'm just going to go down here, hello, so you can see it, okay? And I click OK. Okay, now let's say I want to add some little lips. I go here to hearts. I know it's on the 7th page. Put the big lip. I can just move it around. I can make it bigger. Big lips. Cool. I click the green arrow. I'm good to go. Now let's say I want to go back, do some sparkles. I'm going to throw some hot pink sparkles in. See how they come over here? Move them anywhere I want. Here, here, here. Okay. Okay, so now my little artwork is done on this one that says edit. So how I save it, I don't know why I do it this way. This is just the way that works for me. I go share. I'm not sharing it anywhere. I'm just going to save it to Pizap. I share, and then I click Pizap, and then I click close, and then I go up to Tracy in the corner, my name on my account, and there it is. It's saved there, and then I'll right click it and go save image as, and I'm putting it into my folder, okay, which is Pizap. I threw it in there, and I click save. Okay, so I'm getting out of there. We can go back to that. So now I'm going to start another item. So I'm going to click start, and it's asking me to do a collage, or it's going to do a design. So let's go to do a design. When you click on design, you have the option of using the square, landscape, portrait, custom, or transparent. So let's say if I just go square, I can choose my canvas color. Let's say I'm going to go blue. I can add a background. So I'm going to go background. I'm going to go to desktop. I'm going background images. I've got a file folder that's got background images. And I'm going to throw some lips in there. Open, blah, 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 blah. But I'm going to, oh, I did that one wrong. So hang on. I'm going to go, well, I'm going to leave that there. So I'm going to do another something over top of it. I'm going to do another color over top of it. Background image. I'm going to go with the black. Okay. So here I made this like that. I'm going to keep that. And I'm going to throw some text in there. And I'm going to go hello again. If I can spell. I'm sliding it up into there. I'm going to change my font. Gordola. Slide her up as big as it's going to go. I'm gonna go hot pink background. No, I'm gonna go this way. Pink lettering. Okay, and I can add even something more. I'm gonna add another picture. I'm gonna go back to desktop, top to Pizap. And I'm just gonna throw in this this picture of me again. I'm just gonna make it smaller. Like that. What else can I do? Like I say again, I could throw some of those lips in there under the hearts, or I throw a crown. Throw that in there. Love whatever I want. Put that there. I could turn it on an angle. Okay. Did that. So now I'm going to say share. Click Pizap. Click close. When I click on my name up in the corner, it's all my saved things I've done. It's right here. So click on it big. I'm going to save it as images, and I'm throwing it in that folder of my Pizap folder. Okay, so it's stuck in there. Okay, cool. So that's 2 examples. The last one I want to share with you is the collage. We're going to do a couple different things. Okay. Oh, my arm's getting sore. So when you go to a collage, you have so many options. You've got the 4, you got the landscape, the square, you've got the portrait, Facebook covers, whatever. So let's just do something here. So let's say you've chose the 6 tester collection and you're getting started with your business. And let's see here. What are we going to use for a thingamajigger? Well, let's say you got 9 colors you're starting. Okay, so we got this 9. I always like to round my corners, so I go corners, see how it makes it nice and rounding. I'm going to throw a color in there for now. Okay, that was under frame color. Okay. Now, I'm going to throw some of our pictures of our colors in there. Add photo. I'm going to my computer, and I'm going to go to colored printed with teeth. I've already got a folder built with all of our colors. So let's just say I use apple cider. It's in there. Next picture, I'm just going to randomly pick blackberry. Next one, I'm going to pick bee ruby. Matte. Oh, but there we go. So you can make this up for yourself when you are, showcasing your colors that you've got on stock. So again, here I'm just going to do share. Pizap, close, click my name. There it is. I click on it, save image as. I'm just going to throw it in that folder. Okay, cool, hey? Cool, very cool. So exciting. Okay, so we're going to go back. The last one I want to show you is using the collages again. But it's just taking something kind of funky. Okay, let's just use this. This is kind of one of my go-to images that I use all the time. So here you got the 4 squares. I'm going to throw the color in a gray. No, I got to go black because I like to see the color. Black. I always like to round my corners out. Okay, so now I'm going to have find some images. So let's just go add photo. This is kind of the one I did this morning quick. I kind of try to make them balance as far as, what they got in them. Oops. Okay, so you can see they kind of are okay, but some are kind of outside the line. So when you click here, edit, you can make them smaller a little bit or chubbier, I guess stubbier, I guess you want to call it. See that? See how this one here is quite a bit different. Click edit. I want to get it inside the line, moving it. This one here, I want to see the words a bit bigger, so I'm just gonna make it, I'm making it bigger. Okay, this one looks okay. Like that. I'm liking it, and I'm gonna throw a big set of lips in the center of it. Boop. Finish that up. Okay, hit the green, I'm good to go. Sharing. Now, if something was wrong, I could go back. I can click close. Because once I hit finish it, I can't edit it. So I have to do it at this point. So I don't really like that. So I'm going to get rid of it. And I really don't like that layout. So I'm going to click up here. And I'm going to change my layout. So I'm going to go with this total square. See how I did that? Throw my lips back in there. Or some stars. Oops. Oh, I moved it. Boop. Ooh. Kind of did that. Anyway, I'm done that one. Share. And done. So girls, that is my tutorial on how to use Pizap.com. I just uploaded the app to my phone. I did one the other day. It looked good, except for I didn't know how to do those edits to adjust the photo in it. So that's something I have to work with. My fingers are too fat. My little stylist wouldn't help me out that day. But anyway, I just wanted to give you guys little tips, and it's pretty easy. I know a lot of people use pick collage and all sorts of other little apps and stuff, but this is the ones my go-to. I've done over 2,800 apps in the last 5 years, blah, 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 blah. Anyway, chat with you later, girlies.